Haley Thompson.
Well, look at you.
I want that reel back there with the black cover.
This one?
Yes.
Hey, buddy, wanna go fishing?
Look at that, baby. Now you got a better pull than
Yeah, girl.
John Shane.
That's our first tournament. Good luck.
What's the last name? John Shady.
Choose.
I think this is the Micah one. Oh, was that the other one?
The bigger one? Yeah, the one without the cover on it. Yeah, that's
The one with the cover?
without the cover. That's the spinner. Yeah, that's the
Kenny Z. Not G, but Kenny Z.
Z.
Kenny Z.
Careful, that's a man's rod.
That's what you said. That's what you said.
No, it's not 10 foot.
Daryl Tucker.
How are you doing the wrong blood supplement? Second.
Yeah,
Anything on the table? We have the 2 parts. The rods are gone. Yep. You can take one of those. They're both the same. Yeah. Keith Berry.
Keith Berry.
You got skunk all day, at least you're winning.
Hey, take out his keys. He has a nice.
Take it for the grandson.
Hey, your wife can't be mad at you now.
Grandson needs a wagon. Hey, well, that's why I just text her. It's like,
That's right.
now she knows why I'm gone for a while.
Take your smokes in the truck. And give it all around.
R. Tommen Sr. maybe? 110.
Who dey?
We got UV flashlights, hand warmers. Yeah.
These are scales.
Oh, look at the cover. This gotta be the real thing now.
No. Jaden C.
Jaden C.
Y'all better pass up on the board. I'm borrowing one next month.
Yeah.
Or you're getting a heavy wooden one.
Nolan. Nolan.
Nice, man.
Max Fetters. Or Max.
Hey, Matt.
What?
The board.
I would do it. No, do it.
Nope.
No. What's it for? Like,
Yeah, that's a female giveaway for the
Oh!
ones. Yeah. We're gonna draw for that after we're done. So we got hooks, flashlights, hand warmers, UV charger.
Somebody's not listening.
I'm taking this.
You on a boat?
I'm taking this for my anything that's glow in the dark. So I'm going to be using this on my 3D printer, so I get some glow in the dark filament on 3D printing something and put it in. Easiest way to do that. So if you have anything glow in the dark, I'm putting it in there.
Tyrell Martin.
Donald Fetters.
Oh, you know.
Me and my grandpa. Me and my grandpa. 5 in a row, mate.
Yeah, just
Crazy.
Good odds.
I got me and my grandpa.
nope.
These are hand warmers. I actually use them. They're awesome.
I get the fishing pole?
That's for the
I didn't
girls.
see that. Transfer's lucky.
What'd you get?
Max Davenport.
I just got my Yugi Black Light using the living.
Those hooks are good. They're badass.
Yeah, they are. Thank you.